welcome you for the second part. Write the conditions necessary for seed germination. So, what are the conditions necessary for seed germination? Water, oxygen, temperature, and also light. Okay, so these are the conditions needed for seed to germinate. What do you mean by seed germination? Seed germination means it is the process of what? It is a process of growth of seed into a young plants. It is a process of growth of seed into a young plant. It's called seed germination. What are the three important parts in seed? One is seed coat, another one is cotyledon, and another one is embryo. Seed coat, cotyledon, embryo. So, this is the conditions necessary for seed germination. So, related to this, they may ask the interior questions. What are they? Seed germination. Define seed germination. Seed germination means it is a process of growth of seed into a young plant. What do you mean by young plant? It's nothing but embryo. So, what are the three important parts in seed? One is seed coat. It is the hardest part in seed is seed coat. Cotyledon. The first pair of leaf is called cotyledon, and embryo means a young plant. Okay. The second one is explain the types of seeds, monocotyledon and dicotyledon. So we have seen this in a tabular column now. So monocotyledon means if the first pair of leaf is single means that is called monocotyledon, and the first pair of leaves are double means that is called dicotyledon. And monocotyledon's petals are 3 or 6. Dicotyledon petals are 5 or 10. Vascular bundles are scattered in monocotyledon. Vascular bundles are ring in dicotyledon. And the shape of the leaf, narrow leaf in monocotyledon and broad leaf in dicotyledon. And the veins are narrow in monocotyledon. Veins are broad or network of veins. Network means group of veins in dicotyledon plant. So by seeing this, we can find out whether that is monocotyledon or dicotyledon. What is seed dispersal? The transportation of seeds from the parent plant to different places is called seed dispersal. So the transportation of seed from one place to from the parent to another part of place is called seed dispersal. So what are the distribution factors? Wind, animal, water, and fruit burst. Okay. Next, autotrophic and heterotrophic. Autotrophic means they are able to synthesize their own food. They can prepare its own food. Heterotroph, they are not able to synthesize their own food, which means they cannot prepare their own food. They must depend on other for its food. Next, 5 mark question. How the seed dispersion occurs? So, wind. So, drumstick, maple, acorn, sunflowers. These seeds are hairy and lightweighted, so easily travel in air. And water, coconut. Okay, because in the seashore we can see the so many coconut trees. So when the coconut falls down, it can flow on the water nearly 1000 kilometers. So when it is deposited in any place, it will become into a new plant. Next, animals. So animals means it will, if it is eating the fruits, the fruit will be digested, but the seeds won't be digested. So it will become into a new plant after the excretion. Second, if any flowers are attached to the animal's body means if the animals are moving from one place to another place, the seeds will be fall down. Okay, so that time it will become into a new plant. Fruit burst. Once the fruit is getting once the fruit is become ready to produce a new plant means, so from that also the seed can be dispersed. So by water, wind, animals, and fruit burst. And how many kinds of organisms are present on the basis of mode of feeding? So holozoic, it swallows the food. Saprophytic, it absorbs the food from dead decaying matter. Parasitic, it completely depend other for its nutrition. Chlorophyll and its types. So there are green color pigments present in chloroplast. They are found in green leaves in a maximum amount, as well as other green leaves are called chromoplast. There are 6 types of chlorophyll: A, B, C, D, E, and bacteria chlorophyll. and the process of photosynthesis and its reaction. So formula also given. So the photosynthesis process means it will get to the light energy from sun and it will convert into chemical energy. This is the equation is given. Light energy means they will get ATP, NADPH2 and O2. Dark reaction means carbon dioxide, water and converted into glucose. The first stage of photosynthesis is light reaction. The second stage of photosynthesis is dark reaction. Osmosis xylem. So the plants absorb water from the soil by the process of osmosis and it must be transported to other part of plants now, that is through xylem. And different types of pigments. Leucoplast, white in color, that is underground. Chromoplast, color other than green, means stem and branch. Chloroplast contain green color pigment, is nothing but leaf. And grana, structure of grana and stroma. So chloroplast is nothing but it has a chlorophyll. So the chlorophyll are arranged in the form of thylakoid, ring shape. To save the thylakoid, grana is present. Around the grana, stroma is present. So in lower plants, 1 or 2 chlorophyll are found. In higher plants, 50 chlorophylls are found. So I have here I have mentioned some possible questions which can be expected. Don't expect the same. This is a sample. Okay. So they may ask. These are the sample questions or model questions. So I have listed you the possible interior 1 marks, 2 marks and 5 marks. Don't expect the same for the test. This is just a sample. Okay. So they may ask the difference between monocot and dicot. So maybe asked in true or false. Okay. Which is present, which is not present. What is the structure of monocot? What is the structure of dicot? Like that they can ask. And true or false type questions, match of the following type questions also can be asked from heterotroph and autotroph. Okay. And the other name questions, for an example, the other name for chlorophyll, chloroplast. So like that we can say, or the color of chloroplast, color of chromoplast, color of leucoplast. So like that they can ask. Okay. So these are the some questions. And scientist name they asked, light reaction, who found a light reaction, who found a dark reaction, and who found a chloroplast. So like this they may ask. Like that you have to split up the question format. Okay. Next color based questions I said no. Seed germination. So now 1 marks questions. Seed germination is the process of growth of seed into a young plant. The young plant is also called embryo. Young plant is also called embryo. If an organism uses oxygen for respiration, means that is called aerobic respiration. The moderate temperature of plant is 25 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. And examples for seed dispersal, that animal, wind, water, no, that they can ask. How many wavelengths are present in an atmosphere? 7. Dash is the basic source of energy, sun. Where do maximum photosynthesis occur? Red region. Where do minimum photosynthesis occur? Green region. Chloroplast is green in color. Chromoplast is brown in color. Chloroplast also known as green plastid. How many types of chlorophyll are there? Here 6 ma. Change it, okay? 6. The tiny pore on the leaves are called stomata. Plant absorb water from the soil by root. That process is called osmosis. Which tissue helps in transport water to leaves? Xylem. Who discovered plastid? Haeckel. Light reaction is also called photochemical process. Dark reaction is also called thermochemical process. Who discovered light reaction? Robert Hill. Who discovered dark reaction? Melvin Calvin. So these are the interior questions. This is a sample questions. Okay. Next, possible interior 2 marks. What are the conditions necessary for seed germination? So what are the conditions? Water, oxygen, light and temperature. Define seed germination. Seed germination is the process of growth of seed into a young plant. What are the 4 factors involved in seed dispersal? Wind, water, animal, fruit burst. Define autotroph, heterotroph. Autotroph means the plants which prepare food for itself is called autotroph. The organism which cannot prepare its own food is called heterotroph. Herbivores. They eat only on plants is called herbivores. Example, cow. Given equation for photosynthesis, 6CO2 plus 2H2O in front of chlorophyll and sunlight, it produces glucose, C6H12O6 from plus 6O2. Okay. Next, where do maximum photosynthesis occur? Red region. Where do minimum photosynthesis occur? Green region. And difference between light reaction and dark reaction. It is also called as photochemical process. It is also called as thermochemical process. It is discovered by Robert Hell. It is discovered by like that. You have to find out the difference. Okay, what are the sources needed? What is regulated? So these are the questions maybe from light reaction and dark reaction for 2 marks. Possible interior 5 mark question. So explain the process involved in the following diagram. So what is this diagram? It is seed germination. So about that you have to write as a 5 marks. Why do organisms need food? Why do organisms need food? To obtain energy, to obtain materials for growth, obtain materials to repair the damaged body parts, carry out life processes. Explain about the structure of chloroplast. Chloroplast is important in photosynthesis. The arrangement of thylakoid inside the chloroplast is called grana. Grana is surrounded by stroma. In lower plants, 1 or 2 chlorophylls can be found, and in higher plants, 50 chlorophylls can be found. So, I hope you understood all our classes, and these are the possible interior 1 marks, 2 marks, and 5 mark questions, and don't expect the same. So, this is a sample. Thank you, children. Read well. Thank you. All the best.